Welcome back. The Shrunken Skull has a special place in my heart because it's the first tiki drink I ever learned how to make. It's easy, 4 ingredients, all equal parts, and it illustrates the importance of quality grenadine. So if you have a favorite kind or a homemade, grab it now because we're gonna mix with it and it really stands out in this cocktail. Also, if you're new here, welcome, and do consider subscribing for more sips, tips, and recipes. Otherwise, let's get started. To the bar. Okay, for this cocktail, you are going to need a jigger, a Boston shaker, and a tiki glass of your choice. I got this set, and they all have names. I'm excited about this one. Kanaloa, the Kanaloa cup. Doesn't matter. We are also gonna be using crushed ice. So I've got my mallet and Lewis bag ready to crush ice. So if you have one of these, get it ready. Otherwise, order a Lewis bag so you can do it, but we're not gonna wait. We're just gonna keep going. Or buy crushed ice. Okay, the booze. You are gonna need, I am gonna need, we're all gonna need Demerara Rum, Gold Rum, fresh lime juice, and grenadine. The Demerara Rum that I'm using is Hamilton 86 proof Demerara Rum, and the Gold Rum is Q Gold. Real quick, a little rum talk. We are making the original Shrunken Skull recipe, which calls specifically for Demerara Rum, which is a molasses-based rum from Guyana, made from locally sourced sugarcane, and Gold Rum, which is a light to moderately aged molasses-based rum. The Demerara Rum that I'm using is a darker, earthier rum, and the Gold Rum I'm using is a really light rum, so there's a big difference between the two. There are some Demerara rums that are gonna be lighter, and they actually would fall into both categories. So if you have one of those, you could just double down on that rum for this recipe and get away with only using one rum. But I do encourage mixing rums because this is where you get to learn about tiki. In fact, this was the perfect introduction to tiki for me because I learned how different rums work together in a cocktail and how by switching out different rums, you get a completely different flavor profile. Tiki's fun, so make it yours. But today we are doing the traditional Demerara and Gold Rum combo. Let's build. I need to get more Q. Let's start with 1 ounce of the Demerara Rum. 1 ounce of Gold Rum. 1 ounce of lime juice. And 1 ounce of grenadine. You may look at this recipe and think, that's a lot of grenadine, or even that's a lot of lime juice. But the thing about tiki is the vast majority of them are served over crushed ice. And I believe the reason for that is that it keeps it really cold and refreshing, and it's reminiscent of being on an island somewhere and somewhere warm in the sun on vacation. That's what tiki's meant to be. However, when you serve it on crushed ice, it's gonna dilute much faster. So you need to up the flavors of sugar and citrus, and it really makes pleasant sipping all the way through. I will say, because of the crushed ice, it does make tiki drinks rather dangerous. By diluting the sugar and the citrus flavors, it also brings down the taste of alcohol. Be careful, know what you're drinking. And yes, I'm aware that we are putting in a full ounce of syrup and a full ounce of lime juice. Now we get to crush ice. I don't trust this table, but I am going to crush ice on it. Here we are. I would like to add, when you are crushing up your ice, don't go too crazy because we don't want snow or it'll just turn to water right away. Just like nice sized pebble pieces. Feel around as you go, and then just bust up the ones that need busting. Like that one, and that one. I think we're upsetting our neighbors. That's pretty good. Okay. Gold. At the bar, I like to use this blender that we have. It's meant for milkshakes. So I do a flash blend. And when you do a flash blend, it's just better. It aerates the cocktail and it whips it up really fast. So if you have one of those, you can use that at home, but I don't have one of those. So I'm gonna be shaking this up. One day, I hope to get a milkshake blender for this purpose. Away we go. It's gonna get cold in your hands really quickly because of the crushed ice. open pour right into your tiki mug. And I'm gonna add a little bit more crushed ice. And save a little room because now we can garnish. For the Shrunken Skull, I like to do an orchid, but here at home, I don't know where to get edible orchids. If you have access to edible orchids, use those because they're really beautiful. Instead, I'm gonna use pineapple fronds. These are what's left of my past pineapples. Whenever I buy a pineapple, I look at the fronds and how nice they are. And when I get it, I pluck them right away. I rinse them off because sometimes they have a little dust on them. And then I put them together in a freezer bag and I freeze them for moments that I'm gonna make a tiki drink like this. You could just do one, I like multiple, and get them to stay by adding more crushed ice, making a huge mess like this. And I bought these drink umbrellas. They look like palm trees. They're not real palms. Oh. I don't know if I like these umbrellas or not. I'm not as impressed with these umbrellas as I thought I'd be. If you have any experience with these little cocktail umbrellas, they're hit or miss, but oh, this one works beautifully. That's better. All right, what do you think? Pretty good, right? The Shrunken Skull. Boop. Oh my God. This is the ultimate grenadine cocktail. It really illustrates the importance of quality grenadine. You just get this bright pomegranate. Oz, do you want to try this?
This is so good.
Right? That's the Shrunken Skull. And I think once you taste yours, you're gonna think this is a delicious cocktail. If you like this video, like and subscribe. If you know where that button is, it's the thumbs up button. I think that you should consider hitting that button because if you like it, then I know you like it and I'll make more of it. If you want, you can hit the notification bell and then you'll be notified the next time a video comes out and you don't have to wait. And let me know what rums you're using. What's good? Or not, do whatever you want.